listen. And in the video, the learner challenged him was like, no. When he could say, get water in a measuring cylinder, the learner could say, a beaker. He recorded a video, he shared, because it was for competition. Almost like 500 teachers competed. And the winners always get prizes. For him, he could say, a measuring cylinder, then the learner could say a beaker. But the teacher insisted, because we don't want to get ashamed. So please, let's know the items we are using. Now, I want each group to measure for us 20 milliliters. This is a what? Overflow can. Okay. We use it to do what? Have you watched anything? Okay. Now you put it in your can, then measure 100 again. Measure 100, also put in the overflow can. 100. Measure 100. So this thing is a simple rubber. Do you always talk about a fuse? Yes. Do we have a fuse inside? But most times they have fuses. Yes. So using a screwdriver, you can open this and you show them the what? The fuse. Because when we talk about electric circuit or electric wiring, we always talk about the fuse, how it breaks down the what? The circuit. So that's not a good practice. Allow learners to do what? Touch it. Yes? Let them see it, let them feel, even move around in the what? The class. If you have a big room, attention please, if you have a big room, first get them in the circle and be with that model in the center. Let them see. If you're going to teach for 40 minutes, first have that model in the center, let them touch it, identify the parts with them,